Welcome to this video on the Augmented Workplace, where we navigate the next era of human-machine collaboration. The conversation is shifting from man versus machine to man with machine. Technology is redefining jobs through two parallel revolutions: automation and augmentation. Traditional work is burdened by the friction between information and action, relying on paper manuals and tribal knowledge. This results in an annual cost of $400 billion in unplanned downtime. Path 1 is automating tedium to unleash human potential. Automated audit trail software, for example, offloads repetitive tasks, creating an undeniable record for security, compliance, and efficiency. Path 2 is giving frontline workers digital superpowers. Augmented reality enhances human skill by layering critical data and guidance onto the physical world. This leads to a 90% reduction in errors and a 75% faster technician onboarding. We are moving from theory to tangible ROI. Companies like Boeing, Bosch, and GE Healthcare are seeing significant reductions in assembly time, errors, and time spent on maintenance by implementing AR-guided instructions and inspections. AI is a force of both disruption and creation. While 30% of current U.S. jobs could be automated by 2030, there is projected job growth for roles like software developers and cybersecurity analysts. The next frontier is the expert on your shoulder. Large language models, incorporating retrieval-augmented generation, can act as intelligent conversational agents within XR environments, providing context-aware expert guidance on demand. The future factory is where the digital and physical worlds fuse. This includes AI plus IoT for predictive maintenance, XR with digital twins for risk-free training, and AI with computer vision for real-time quality defect detection. This is not a niche trend. It's the next computing platform. The augmented reality market is projected to grow from $149.5 billion in 2024 to $2.8 trillion by 2034, with a CAGR of 38.5%. The future is built, not predicted. We must invest in technology, invest in people by prioritizing upskilling, and redesign workflows from the ground up to fully leverage human-machine teams. The real innovation is not just in what the technology can do, but in how your people use it. Successful organizations will master the art of human-machine collaboration to solve complex problems and create. This slide lists the key sources and data referenced throughout this video.